Hey guys, so today I have a pretty awesome gameplay for you, and I also have some pretty awesome news. If you saw my video last week where we were taking a look at the A5 416 gas blowback rifle, and you like the look of it, well, I've been talking to my sponsors, and there's going to be a chance for you guys to win that exact rifle. That's right, we're going to be doing a raffle for charity, so you can donate money, which will go to charity, and then you'll be in with a chance of winning yourself that rifle. And the more tickets you buy, of course, the more chance you have of winning. Now, the raffle isn't open yet, but stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you follow my Facebook page for more details. Very soon, there will be a chance for you guys to win yourself that rifle. And of course, all the money goes to charity. So it's a win-win all round. So if you do want to check that out, make sure you stay tuned to the channel. So in today's video, we have the perspective from two different games. The first one here, our team had to attack into the building and try and capture an objective on the first floor. Now, as well as that, if you killed an enemy player and held on to them and counted to 20, they were eliminated from the game. They could no longer be medicked or go back to spawn, so they were completely out of the match. So myself and Dan were moving around the first floor trying to eliminate players, whilst our teammates moved into the centre and tried to capture that objective.
Dan, stay here, stay here. No, I'm capturing you, I'm capturing you. 10, 19, 20, you're captured, you're captured.
Now, for anyone that is new to the channel, the gun I am using in today's gameplay is my completely upgraded Tokyo Marui Mark 18, which, if you want to know more information about that, the link to my website with all the internal details and links to the videos of the reviews is in the description below.
Hit! Medic! Dad! Medic! Medic!
Now, by this stage, we had teammates attacking from both sides of the building, and as you can hear from the sound, the enemy team were getting pretty confused. Now, by this stage, we did have a few enemy players left hiding downstairs, so we went downstairs to try and take those guys out who were hiding in the darkness. With these players now captured, it meant they couldn't be revived and were now totally out of the game.
He's down, sorry lads. You go upstairs.
With a lot of the enemy team now captured and taken out of the fight, we move into the centre of the building to try and capture that objective.
Hit!
So sadly, after getting hit there, I do get captured, and that was me out of the fight. So moving on to the next game, it was now our turn to defend the building and try and keep that objective safe.
No kill. Fuck that.
Now at this stage, as their attack inside the building wasn't going so well, they start to turn to using snipers outside. And this is where I start to get into a battle with my AEG against snipers with a much higher FPS at quite a long distance, and as you'll see, I was very impressed with my rifle. As you could hear then, snipers are putting rounds in through the windows, and they're getting pretty close and hitting the metalwork all around me.
Hit! Medic!
Now at this stage here when I got hit, I thought I was going to get captured and was waiting for so long to get revived I actually turned my cameras off. But I got medic back in and could carry on pushing through the building, taking out those players and trying to capture them and hopefully try and take out the last of those snipers outside.
There's a sniper out there, isn't there? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's me, 10, 15, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stop. 2, 3, 4.
Just don't stand up so quick.
11, 12. If I get to 20, 19, 20. There you go.
When it gets close, that's fine.
Got him. Sniper's down.
So eventually, after putting enough pressure and enough rounds onto that sniper to force him out from behind cover, I got him out in the open and took him out. So I was pretty impressed that I actually got that guy. As I said, he was using a sniper with a much higher FPS and probably a lot more accurate at distance than my rifle. But once again, my Tokyo Marui has proved it is a very reliable piece of kit. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If so, leave all your thoughts and comments down below. And as I said, if you want to take part in that raffle to win yourself that 416, stay tuned and follow my Facebook page. But in the meantime, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.